Take a look at this. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and share this video to all of your friends. Now let's get into the video.
Alright guys, so welcome to today's mini tutorial, and today we will deal with the following problems. So let me just demonstrate it to you, and then I will offer you a solution for that. So as you can see, when I try to place something, okay, so I'm able to place it at this spot, which is totally normal because it is green, as you can see. But if I try to place it right here, where it isn't supposed to be placed, it still is able to be placed for whatever reason, okay? And that's going to be the topic for our today's video. So usually this shouldn't happen, okay? So we have this placeable thing right here. We are even checking if the part we are placing on is called placeable, means it is placeable on that spot, okay? We even check for that, but it still does not seem to work. So what can we do about it? There is an easy solution for that. So we need to add a new variable which determines whether something's placeable or not. By something I mean the tower, of course. So add this variable right here, and every time when we are on a placeable part, we just make this variable turn true, and every time we are on a non-placeable part, we make it turn false. And now every time when we hit our mouse button, we check for this placeable variable instead of those two things, okay? And that's actually it. So this should work now. As you can see, you can hear my mouse clicking, and I'm unable to place it, okay? But I'm able to place it right here. So that's actually it for this video. And I've just noticed that those towers are pretty buggy, so sometimes they just spun around, whatever, and sometimes they were just halfway in the ground. And yeah, I plan on fixing that in, well, maybe the next tower defense video when we are able to finish our tower summon, or maybe in the next mini tutorial, so it depends on how far we can get in the future videos. But we will of course fix that. And yeah, so that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell. Share this video to all of your friends, and leave me feedback in the comment section guys. Take care and see you in the next video.